These platform shoes are so cute. I'm going to show them on in just a second, but first I just want to show you the details of these Soda Espadrille platform sandals. So this obviously is going to go around my ankle. It's kind of a loose fit. I would say that my feet are very average as far as width and girth around the ankle is very average. So I find this even on the tightest setting to be loose, but it's actually really comfortable. This leathery material is super soft. And it's the same material that's up inside, up under this canvas. So I would say that these are true to size. I love the tread on the bottom because they're not going to be slippery. I do not like wearing slippery shoes, especially when they are any sort of shoe that I might be, in dressier clothes. So I just love the look of these. They are as cute on as you might imagine, and they are very comfortable. I have worn them several times already when I had to be on my feet for quite a long time and walk in them for quite a long ways. So I do highly recommend them. And I would say that this area here, as I said, my feet are not narrow or wide. They're very average. And I find this area to be somewhat roomy, but in a good way. So I have a feeling that if your feet are on the wider side, that these would still work for you. So they are definitely worth a try because they are so cute. And now I'm going to show them to you on. So this is what they look like on. And you can see that there is room to spare here, which means it's going to fit a lot of different sized feet, which is great. But I still think they are super cute, despite having some room to spare here and around the sides and around the ankle, because I do have it on the tightest level there. So these are super cute. I do find as I walk in them, my heel comes up a little bit more like a flip-flop, if you would think of them like a flip-flop. So it took me a few days to decide if I minded that, and I decided that I did not at all because they are so incredibly comfortable, and I like flip-flops. So it almost has a flip-flop feel, the way that it flops on the back of your heel, but it has the look of just incredibly adorable platform shoes.